Regulations are set up worldwide to prohibit or restrict the use of certain substances in order to protect people and the environment. Airbus is committed to complying with regulations while maintaining its quality, performance, and reliability standards. In the aeronautical world, regulations on substances impact key processes and products, such as surface treatments, paints, and fire protection. Almost all substances used in the aeronautical world are subject to strict regulatory requirements. To work on the management of regulated substances, Airbus has created a cross-functional team, gathering representatives from all aircraft programs and major functions. These also work with external parties. Airbus tracks, registers, assesses, and declares regulated substances, and works on the development and qualification of alternatives, aiming to substitute chemicals on products, processes, and in service activities. Airbus is also focused on the compliance capability of its supply chain and works with suppliers in searching and deploying feasible and sustainable substitutes. Airbus and its divisions work with the others in aeronautical and defense and space and industry fora to promote the development of standards to respond to environmental challenges.